Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another product review to do for y'all. Kemimoto sent me their phone mount bracket to install on the 2022 Plus Honda Grom. So a big thanks to Kemimoto for sending me this product right here. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so right off the bat, we have the box that it comes in. Got the instructions. See here, we got the ball mount for the phone holder. This is the bracket where it's going to fit on your handlebars. Got the spacers and the mounting hardware to get this thing on. Let's go ahead and start the installation process. All right, so first things first, you're going to want to pop these four bolt covers off. I just use a box cutter to pop them off. I'm gonna go ahead and pause the video until I get the bolts off. All right guys, so I went ahead and I got the bolts off. I had to go ahead and loosen up this little crossbar right here so I can have access to the top bolts. But so the bolts are off. Go ahead and get your piece right here. Just like so. And the small washer goes on first, and then put the big one on, and then go ahead and grab your joint right here and start threading in the bolt. Alright, so you're going to need a 3mm Allen key to fix this bolt on. Alright, that's on there pretty good. Let's go ahead and get this on. Alright, so since I don't have enough wiring length to mount the 1-inch spacer on, I'm going to go ahead and just mount the bracket on top of the handlebars. Just like so. I'm going to need a 3mm just to kind of loosen these up. Alright, so just want to align them with the holes. Let me show you what I'm talking about. You want to align up the holes to where they are nice and even. That way you can fit your bolts in. Alright, now once you got that even on both sides, go ahead and reinsert your bolt. Now that you have put the bolts back on, go ahead and put the nut covers back over them. And then attach the crossbar back. Alright guys, sorry my GoPro died because, you know, I'm in Texas and this heat is crazy, but I went ahead and I installed everything back together, got the crossbar back on and the phone mount. So another cool thing is without the spacers, this phone mount will still fit. As you can see, you have that little piece of clearance. That way you can go ahead and attach your phone holder to this ball clamp or this ball mount right here, and then you can have it coming out and it'll be perfect for your view. So there's a good look at it. So yeah, guys, I am pretty happy with the install. It's fairly easy. You just need to just undo your original mounting hardware and then pop this thing on. Use your original bolts and then without the spacer, and then you're good to go. Now, one thing that I do want to mention is this kit only comes with the phone mount. It doesn't come with the phone holder. So that would have to be an extra charge or an extra purchase you would have to make. But this kit right here, it's pretty durable. It's made out of aluminum. Yeah, it seems to be built really good. I don't think you're gonna have any problems with it breaking or anything. Simple to install, but just one negative. On the downside, you do have to purchase the phone holder. This is just the phone mount, if that makes sense. Go ahead and leave the link in the video description below, along with the 10% discount code off of Amazon, the Kemimoto store. So if you want to go ahead and get this for your bike, yeah, you can just go ahead and click on the link. So yeah, guys, if you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful at all, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, like the video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more future videos on the Honda Grom. All right, guys, well, that's a wrap for this one. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see y'all on the next one.